Day 5, y'all. I'm really excited about baking this cookie for y'all because it's a salted caramel cookie. And I love salted caramel, and I hope y'all do too. It's a basic cookie recipe. It's going to be real easy. Now, I've got my flour here, and I've got my salt, like a fourth of a teaspoon, and a little baking powder. And it's said to sift it. So this is how I'm going to sift today. This will work just as well as pulling out that sifter and getting the flour really well. Perfect. We did it. All right. Now for the good part. 2 sticks of butter. And I've got a half a cup of confectionate sugar. And a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're just going to beat that until it's creamy. Oops. Caramel deserves a little bit more vanilla flavor. Okay, here we go. Uh-oh. Shut my cord up in the drawer. All right, now I'm going to beat in 1 egg yolk. I folded around and I broke that yolk. But that's all right, because we're going to mix it up. We're going to mix. Now we're going to slowly add our flour, salt, and baking powder to it. Now, this is a sticky dough. So I'm going to cover this and let it sit for 1 hour in the refrigerator. And then it'll be more workable. Okay? 1 hour. Okie doke, y'all. Our dough sat in the refrigerator for an hour. And I've done it up into like 1-inch balls. And now I'm making an indention in the center. Because remember, these are going to have a good old surprise in them. Good old surprise. So, that dough is going to be really, after it sits in the refrigerator, it's going to be really hard. But when you start rolling it with your little warm hands, it'll soften up pretty quick. I think I'm going to make these a little bit bigger. Okie doke, y'all. It made, how many did I say? 28 cookies. So I've made an indention in each of them. We're going to cook these for 8 minutes, y'all. Then I'm going to pull them out, and I'm going to put a caramel in the center of each one of them. And I salted that time, I can't remember.
No, after we pull them back out.
After we pull them back out, then we'll sprinkle them. Remember, I got that tablespoon of salt over there. Had a little bit left on my pan. So in the oven, 350, I think, right, Teresa?
Yes, ma'am. 8 minutes.
8 minutes. All right, it's been 8 minutes, y'all. So that little piece of caramel's getting dropped right in our thumbprint. And we're going to bake them for 3 to 4 more minutes. My poor cousin George has been waiting on these all day long. And now he's going to get them. All right, George.
Oh boy.
I don't have to call him twice.
Okay, let's see.
Which one you want?
I want the big one for now,
Okay.
and this other big one for next.
Okay. Uh-oh, they're not
Uh-oh.
cool. They hadn't cooled enough, have they?
But if they're warm, but they're warm and toasty.
They're like shortbread. You eat that one with a spoon. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Oh, yeah.
And that salt just does the best trick, doesn't it?
Put those away before Teresa starts adding some of those to her pile.
He's not even letting me take a couple home.
Nope.
He is being Scrooge.
All right, there. Just look. Pick up that plate, and see it's got that point on it. And
No,
they're like,
I might stick me if I do that.
okay. I know
I'll take a chance on that. Oh,
I did it.
that's so good.
Might want to let them cool.
I'm going to let them cool. I'm going to let those cool.
Okay, and make sure that you let these cool completely while they're on the pan, so we don't have to take these up and put them on a cookie thing. Y'all know what I'm saying. One of them wire racks. So, this is day 7.
No, this is the finish up of day 5. You jumped ahead. Day 5.
Good. So that means I got 7 more cookies to make. Right?
Yep.
I'm in it to win it. Merry Christmas, y'all. Get your pencil down and write down the recipe. And I send you love and best dishes now and always.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.